Emotions, just like everything else in our bodies, are created by chemistry. The olfactory receptors are responsible for detecting aromas. These are directly connected to the limbic system, located here, which is the part of the brain that processes emotions, meaning that scent can directly impact on our mood. Recognizing the impact our emotions have on our well-being, doTERRA has created 6 proprietary blends that can be used to help us to balance and brighten our moods. In the Essential Aromatics Kit, you can find uplifting, encouraging and comforting aromas that will help you and your loved ones find harmony and stability. Cheer is a ray of sunshine in a bottle. This positive, fresh aroma of citrus and spice essential oils is the perfect blend to promote feelings of optimism that will invigorate your mood. This is one of my favourites to use or mist in my diffuser in the morning or throughout the day for an extra positivity boost. Passion is an inspiring blend of herb and spice essential oils that will help you to find renewed joy in your everyday activities and rekindle excitement in your life. If you need a little courage or creativity, this is an excellent blend to reach for. Fresh and minty, Motivate promotes feelings of confidence, optimism and determination. This was one of our favourites during our little girl's first few weeks of school. The fresh, woody aroma of Forgive helps to promote feelings of contentment, relief and patience, including with yourself. Forgive is an encouraging companion that will help you remember to let go and keep moving forwards by creating a safe and comforting environment. Console uses sweet floral and woody essential oils to bring out feelings of comfort, putting you on the hopeful path of healing. Console will help to bring joy, happiness and hope at those times when you need it the most. Peace combines floral and mint essential oils to provide a welcome reminder that you don't have to be perfect to find peace. Use Peace to promote feelings of contentment, composure and reassurance. For my children, the Essential Aromatics Kit has become a go-to tool to help them identify how they're feeling and then select the blend that will help them the most. It's just wonderful to know that using these blends is having such a positive impact on me and my loved ones, and I just love it.